Hey Charles, congratulations on hosting a stellar event. So I hear that you've sold out completely the Turtle Bay Resort and you're flying in 100 CISOs to talk about the new SEC regulations and how together they can meet some of these requirements. Tell me a little bit about the event.
Yeah, absolutely, Cynthia. So as you probably know, my background is actually financial services and finance. Been doing finance for a really long time, but additionally, I studied law and psychology in college. So as you would probably have guessed, my network is pretty deep in financial services and the companies that are in financial services. So we are actually going to be reviewing a lot of the SEC regulations and some of the new regulations that are actually going to be affecting financial services and companies' disclosures and requirements as a result. So absolutely. So what we'll have is we're going to go back through all of the GRC stuff, so governance, risk, and compliance, but not to be boring. We're actually going to go over a lot of the other technical stuff, but we're going to make it fun, and we're actually going to introduce some of the lawyers to try to highlight some color to some of the stuff that we're talking about.
Yeah, I mean, how could you not have fun? So we're having 6 nights in Hawaii. That's opportunity networking breakfasts, networking lunches, executive dinners, open bar. Spouses are welcome. I mean, that's such an amazing thing. So it's great to have a CISO club where we can delve into pressing topics, and also have your plus one come and enjoy a little bit of the fun. That's fantastic that you're doing that. So tell me a little bit about so you're at capacity with the attendees, but I hear there's a wait list. Is there any other way to get in right now if somebody would want to register like last minute to attend?
From Neptune Media's perspective, from ours, no, you can't really get in other than just admitting yourself to the waitlist or signing up for the waitlist. However, there is a back door. The sponsors actually have VIP invites that will get you a free all expense paid trip to our summits in Hawaii. Absolutely.
Okay, great. So if somebody wants to attend, they can reach out to one of the sponsors who might have a few VIP passes for some of their advisory group members, or just people in their community. So that's fantastic. Any other way that somebody can get in?
At the moment, no. There's just those VIP invites that you can reach out to the sponsors for. In fact, I think you have a few of them yourself that you can give away.
Ooh, that's exciting. So thank you for that news. I'm really excited. So, let me know how many passes I get, and I'll definitely make sure that they're put to good use. And also we'll be raising funds. I just heard for the effort in Maui. So if, what's the process, or how can somebody donate? A lot going on. We want to contribute to the community.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're actually in the process of setting that up internally ourselves. And as soon as we make that public, seems like you've got your ear to the ground. Seems like you know a lot more than I do, which is kind of crazy. It seems like you might have the inside track on the inside track. And I'm like, that's pretty shocking. But that's still amazing. Amazingly impressive. Absolutely. So we're actually in the process of working out all those details right now with some boots on the ground. And as soon as those become finalized, we will actually definitely syndicate that information to you so we can push it out through the channel.
Thanks so much. Well, Charles, we're going to keep it short and sweet. Thanks for participating on my first of hopefully many interviews with you and with the speakers and attendees. Again, to those of you who want to attend, please reach out, register on the website. If we can't get you in this time, definitely want you to be participating in the next one. And please like and share the video. Want to make sure that the great work that Charles is doing to help, delve into some of these pressing matters, that we're working together to find answers to these solutions, and making sure that everybody works together to really solve the challenges together. So again, thank you, and please like and share the video.
Thank you.